Hello everyone, this is Kevin. I'm from China and I'm teaching in a primary school in China. Today I'm going to show you how to use this playground application. First, you need to install this application on your mobile phone and we launch it. As we can see, this is a login page. Of course, for the first time we use it, we don't have an account and we need to create an account by clicking this sign up button. You can see it's very easy to create an account. We just need to follow those instructions. Here we input our email. I just use this email and input my password. We confirm it. There we go. Okay, we sign up successfully and we can log in with the account we just created. And use my password. Click login. Well, finally we log in, and we can see this is the main page. After we log in, you can see the left top there is an icon for the setting. You click it, and then we go to the detail page. And here you can edit your personal information. For example, we can select an image for as our icon. We can use camera to take a picture or select one from album. Also, you can change your first name, last name, and you can change your country. For example, I choose China here. And you can also set your PayPal email address. Other things like secure setting, you can change your password. Like you input your old password and your new password. You can set a new password. Alright, after we have changed our information, we just click the save setting button to save those information. Okay, this information has been updated. Firstly, let's just go to the menus part. This is the most important and basic part because it contains all those useful booklets. As you can see, here is a list contains all the chapters, and you can click the title to fold and unfold it, every chapter. From the page, you can see there are many buttons, including a blue visual wall and some white buttons. They are sub-chapters, individual chapters. And on the right is the orange download button and the green circle. Well, let me introduce all the functions of those buttons. Firstly, this page, you can see it's online menu, which means if you want to access those menus, your phone must be able to access the internet. For example, if we want to view the whole chapter, next let's just view this playground starter kit, the first chapter. We click this view all button, and then we can say the whole chapter is open. But if you just want to only want to view the individual chapters, for example, you just want to look how to build the program, we just click the second button, white button. Okay, you just click it. Oh, there we go. you can see we just opened the second subchapter. But here, one thing you need to take attention to is both view and view individual chapter needs internet. So make sure your phone can access internet when you want those modules online. But what should we do if you want to view those chapters offline? Of course, you can download those files into your SD card, so you can view those files whenever you can, whenever you want. Okay, for example, if you want to download the chapter, let's say last one, you just click the download button. Of course, it needs some time to download because the network's speed is sometimes fast or slow. Here we go. You can say this individual chapter has been downloaded, and we can view this chapter. But unfortunately, because we downloaded the whole file for the chapter, so you can't view individual chapters offline. But actually, you can view this individual chapter sequentially because you can find them from the whole file. Well, you can see there's a green circle in offline and online page. They are used to show your reading progress. But unfortunately, due to time limitation, this function has not been implemented. Well, let's go to another part, design part. This page, as we can see, this page is browse design, and here we can browse all the other designs. And if you want to view the details, we just click the image. Well, here is supposed to be PDF showing, but as a time limitation, this function has not been implemented. Oh, okay. Let's switch to my favorite designs. We can see here is empty, so we just click the Add Designs button to add the design, and you can see it's just jumped to the Browse Designs page. And if you want to add one design, we just click the button at the bottom. Yeah, we click it. Okay, you can see it hasn't been added to here because this function needed more time to implement it. So in current version, it's not implemented. Okay, let's go to the third part. It's plans. Well, let's switch to browse plans. And here we can see there are many public plans. If you are interested in one, we just click the image. Well, you can say here's the detail page. You can say the plan title, the description, and you can do many operations about this plan. You can edit, delete, publish, and email. In fact, here is supposed to be a 3D model. You can drag in, drag out, zoom in, zoom out. But due to time limitations, this function has not been implemented also. Okay, let's return. Let's switch to my plans. You can see it's empty, so we can create a plan. Just click the button and input the title of an description. This is my plan. Image, let's choose an image. Okay, let's just click it, create plan. Okay, you can see there's some error in server. This is because this function is just in the process of development. So in the future, we can create plan on this page. Okay, let's just move to the final part, projects. As you can see, we are in the page of browse projects. Here we can browse many projects. And you can just filter them by choosing a field. Let's say Australia. Okay, you can see the list only contains all the projects from Australia. Okay, let's clear the filter by clicking this button clear, and we also can sort those plans by most popular or date added. Okay, let's sort those projects by most popular. You can see this plan is 800 is popularity. Okay, if you want to read the details of the project, we just click the image, and you can see here we can see the details of the project, image, the design part, the plan images, and the descriptions. And also you can contact the creator by clicking this button. Okay, let's just go back. Alright, let's switch to my projects page. If you want to create your first page, just click this button, create project. We can input our title, project 1, country from China. That is, let's just input random date. Okay, there are also many in detailed information you can complete, but here we just complete part of the information. Okay, you can save draft. So the draft is saved, and you can complete that project later. So that's basically the whole functions of our application. Thank you all for watching this video, and thanks a lot for using this application to build playground for children.